Hi students, today this topic exponents and power. This is for chapter 4. This one exponents and power. What is meant by exponents and power? Now we can write large number. We can write large number in shorter form using exponent. Now this one see. How much this one? 1 lakh. How to write in short? This one 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. 1000 tens are 10,000. 10,000 tens are 1 lakh. So this one 1 lakh. This one write 10 power 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 zeros are we write it 10 power 5. Here 10 power 5. First one you know base. This one for power. So 10 is a base. Next one and 5 is a power. 10 is a base and 5 is a power. Power or exponent. So 10 power 5. So this like write it 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So write it for 10 power 5. You consider the another example. Here 625 having. How to write in exponents form? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. So here 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 4 and so 5 power 4. 5 power 4 having. This one power or exponent. This one base. So this one for base, this one for power. So this one how to say 5 power 4. So this is for exponents. Next one power 2 power 3 having. That one having special name. The power 2 is called the special name. That is 3 square. This one 3 square. Square. 3 square name. 3 power 2. Next 4 power 2. How to told 4 square. 5 power 2. 5 square. So power 2 is called the special name. 3 power 2, 4 power 2, 5 power 2. This one 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Same, similar. the power 3. In power 3, how to solve that one? 6 power 3. 6 cubed. 7 power 3. 7 cubed. 8 power 3. 8 cubed. So, power 2 is square. Power 3. How to solve? 6 cubed. You know cube. That one square means 2 means square. 3 means cubed. Next one. The base in a negative integer. Here positive and negative also coming. How to means? Minus 3 power 5. So how to write this one? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So this one minus 3 in base having how many times? 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times you write it. How to write it? Answer 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 means 81. 81 into 3. 243. So minus. Why means here minus away. Minus into minus plus coming. So minus into minus plus. Here minus. How to means 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus into 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus into minus 3 having. So 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81 into minus 3. 81 into minus 3. Here positive integer. Here negative integer. Now positive and negative. Negative coming. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. So 243. Here minus. So minus 3 power 5. Minus 243. Another one minus 2 power 4. Here R number. Here even number. But base is minus away. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. This one 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So this one 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. Here 4 4s are 16. Here positive only. So you take it minus the base power hard number. Answer minus coming. That you take it even number, that one positive coming. Next one minus 1 hard number. Minus 1. Here any number having here minus, you take it odd number, that one minus 1 only coming. Minus 1. Here you take it even number. That is plus 1 coming. Third one a power 0. A power in negative or positive, any number you take it, that power 0 having answer is 1. Next one minus a power 0. Here positive having, here negative. Any number power 0 having, that also 1 only value. So minus 1 power minus value having, that one hard number minus even number plus a power 0 1 minus a power 0 1. Next one, example sums. Example 1, express 128 as a power of 2. Here 128 as a power of 2 power how much? You write it power of 2. Solution 128. You take only for prime numbers. You know prime numbers divisible by 1 and the number itself same number. So example here 7 of it. This one divisible by 1 and the same number. So that is for prime number. You write it prime number only. You take 2. In how much? 128. 12, 6. Here 4. Next one 2. 3. Here 2. This one divide. Next one here 32. How many is up to? 16. Next one 8. Next one 4. Next one 2. Next one 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 128 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 128 equal to 2 power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 128 equal to 2 power 7. The power of 2 power 7 is 128. This is answer. Next one, example 2. Express in exponential form. This is like question having. You change it to exponential form. First one 4 into 4 into 3 into 3. This one 4 into 4. 3 into 3. 4 how many times? 4 power 2 into 3 power 2. Next one 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. This one 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 2 power 3 multiply 3 here 3. 3 power 2 into 4. Next one minus 1 into minus 1 into 7 into 7 into a into a into b. Here minus 1 having. So minus 1 power 2 multiply 7 into 7. So 7 power 2 a into a power 2 into b. So this one, you know that the exponential form how to write. 4 into 4 means 4 how many times? 2 times. Here 3. Here 2. 3 times. 3 2 times. Here 1 4. Minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 square into 7 into 7. 7 square into a into a square into b. So this way find out the exponential form. This is answer.